What's up, everyone? July 10th, 2017, Monday. We're back in the market, and we took a couple plays today. Um, I guess let me see. On my watch list, I had Cnx, Ocul, Exas, Opera, Juno. Thanks to Simon, RH, AAOI. There's just a bunch of candidates today. And let's talk about first my loser, CNX. CNX, I've been playing forever, and what I liked about this one over the weekend, when I was looking at it over the weekend, let's see if we can get it up here. CNX. On the 2 hour or 4 hour, I think it was gonna give us a red arrow. No, actually 2 hour, and I was gonna play it based off of that. Oh no, sorry, I was playing it based off this 2 hour arrow, but as you can see, my thesis was wrong. In the morning, I was looking for a quick scalp, but as you can see, pre-market the candle it was around $16, but then it opened down here. It opened down to 1578. So I was kind of scratching my head about that because it was a big gap down. So when I saw it, I gave it time, 5 minute candles, and it was around this time. So it came and touched this 10 moving average, and based on the dropping dimes, was telling me to go short at the open. So I was playing it based off these dropping dimes. So I tried to go short, playing that bear flag. Obviously, it ended up going against me. So I got out here about 16, right before it crossed the $16 mark, because I know there's some resistance there, but just time and sales look very strong. So I said, it's fine, you know what, I'll give it some space. Initially, what I had wrote on my watch list is that I wanted to come and touch 1621 for me to go for a short. So when it came up here again, I gave it one more shot. 1610 or 1613 was my entry again. It pushed down, so I was like, okay, you know what, it's going to come and retest the open, 1577. Obviously, it didn't do that. It pushed higher, and I was like, yeah, I'm not going to deal with it. I had a tight stop because I just know CNX. Once it gets going, it gets going. So, I got out the way, and it's basically the only loss that I took today. OCUL, I put on my watch list too, and I think on this one, I was looking for retracement, but yes, back to the $7 area, which was a strong support before. Now is resistance. So once it came in and touched it there, I ended up going for a short right at the dropping dimes. So I went in short here. Now here's the problem what I did with the OCUL is I went in with a small position. Then once it was down here, I should have covered. But what I did instead is I was trying to go for a scalp, and I ended up sizing it in very big. Obviously ended up coming back, returning, and this winning trade turned out to be a scratch trade after all. I mean, I was up from 1670 down to 1620. I think it was 1619 when I went in with my scalp trade. I went heavier. It's all right. I gave money back, which blows. Exas I like because this one, another stock that I just know its behavior. But anytime it has like a big push up, one day, the following day it has a retracement of the previous day candle. So I ended up going short here after it had a struggle against 3740 area. I ended up going short, filled open, dropping dimes, confirmation right at the VWAP, boom, push back down. So within 15 minutes, I had my profits. Oprah, man, this one was beautiful, right to the T. I was actually looking at this one from my, what's it called? Trading View. So if you look at Trading View, I think I did some Fibonacci, so I think I erased them now. But if you go back to the weekly or even month, it has a nice retracement here. I think it was about 50% retracement, $35 area. So, and on top of that, it's also a mental area of, where a lot of people come and, just take the profit. So, right when it pushed to 35, it did this big wick down. I didn't chase. I was like, let me, it's going to rebound, which it did. I ended up going here, a struggle against the open. I felt comfortable, and then boom, just drops. So, same thing as Exas within 3 candles, about 15-20 minutes profits. Juno, shout out to my boy Simon. This one, he's actually been playing. I forgot about it until he mentioned to me pre-market right before the open. He sent me his watch list, and as you can see, confirmation here, pre-market, uh, dropping dimes, telling you look for the short. Popped up, came down, and then I ended up going short here around the 28. I think it was 28.83. And then I thought I was gonna do like double bottom there, so I ended up taking my position off here, 28.50. Took my profits. Can't complain about profits. Ended up going lower, but it doesn't matter what it does after the trade. After I get out, it's it's a done deal. Let's talk about RH real quick. RH, man, it did exactly what I was expecting it to do, and I left my circle here. So I was expecting this to retrace back to the 63, $64 area, which it did. It just happened so fast, and I think I just need to be more quick. Confirmation here with the dropping dimes to go. I mean, you can even chase up to $63, but then I was like, it's gonna bounce at the open. It didn't do that. It continued lower and lower. AAOI also missed. Um, Dropping dimes was actually telling you to take the short here. AAOI, if you also look at the, I think it was a 4 hour or 2 hour. Was it 4 hour, 2 hour? I think it was a 2 hour. Oh, both of them 2 hour. Once it's up there with the hot RSI on the 2 hour, it likes to drop, 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 drop. So I'm pretty sure tomorrow, let's see if we get another drop. Maybe a little retracement of today's candle and then continue lower. But it all depends on the price action again. So that's it. So today I ended up green. I feel like chasing some stocks, but I just want to remain more disciplined. It was a small green. I ended up giving back honestly like about $100 back because of CNX and this scalp trade here, which is fine. Before I used to get upset about things like this, but now it's what, it's better ending green than giving that money back and turning a green day to a red day. So I'm actually happy with my small green day today. Like I said, I went 4 for 5, and I've been on a winning streak, so I need to stay humble again because every time I have a winning streak, I have big losses followed by that. So I need to stay humble, and I'm only gonna be sharing my losses with the group because I think that's the only thing that's gonna remind me to remain humble and disciplined. So, anyways, I'm recording my video from my car now. So if you guys hear a bunch of audio or noise in the background, I apologize. So I'll talk to you guys later. Good luck.